Right, you interwebs lot. So I do a quick video, show you what I'm up to next. Very quickly, hard to notice in this crowded little garage, but this is a GT Grade Elite, a new one. This is the chip, I guess, in the lineup, in the GT Grade lineup. It's the aluminium model, and not only that, this has the 10-speed Shimano Claris with mechanical disc brakes, decent WTB tires there, 37 mils, stock rims. Change the seat posts. So this is a Cannondale carbon save seat post. Kept the seat for now. Seems to be fairly comfortable, but we'll see. And the idea is not to do gravel, but to do it in a bit more of an MTB style. So as you can tell, what's going on here, this freak show, is my initial tests before I actually tear down the drop bars that comes with a bike. My desire is to replace it, as you can hopefully tell, with some MTB bars, which I have already installed. These are Face Race stems, short ones, stubby, as you can see here. And what is it? It's about 700 or 710 mils wide. I was a bit worried about that. It's like, maybe it's going to be too wide. Look at this. This is actually a fun little test. It is properly wider than what I'm used to. So I hooked it up in this freakish way. Put this bit of rubber in there so to prevent any unnecessary scratches and shit. And give it a quick, just a quick test to see how it feels. And actually, it feels good. These, what do you call these little horns? Are probably a bit too far out to be comfortable for, long rides or what have you. But we'll see. They feel fine. They need to go down. Their angle is too steep. But these Ergon handlebars, grips, they feel great. The width is fine. So obviously what happens is this is closer and higher than the drop bars, and the overall seating is properly, straight, which is what I was aiming for, obviously. And so to start with, it feels promising. But what else? What am I going to do here? So I'm going to, as you can tell, where are my bits here? I don't know where I put them. I got some, there you go. There they are, Microshift bits over there. So I'm going to install the very good, which I had experience in the past, Advent X derailleur, Advent X, what is it, 11 to 48, I think, rear. And I'm going to take off this front derailleur and make this one by drivetrain. Keep the mechanical brakes. I think those would do fine for kind of the touring bike packing thing that I'm planning for this bike. Carbon fork, by the way, with lots of hookup points and bosses and this and that, 3 here and here, and what have you. So we'll get to the whole bags and storage fun later on. But yeah, that's the general plan. One by, keep the crank if I can. I think I can take off this, the bigger cog and just keep the 32. So this is 32 to, bloody hell, I know it is. Probably, there you go, 48. So I'm going to take the 48 off, keep the 32 off with the front back, replace to Microchip Advent X. Obviously, trigger shifters over here, and really what's preventing this little project from progressing right now is just I'm waiting on some brake levers, which are in order, and now we're going to get going. But so far so good. So an update soon. Cheerio.